Good morning, Dr. Reshma. Teach me something useful I don't know in under a minute.
Sure. In the service industry, there are three success factors: good, cheap, or fast. The or is crucial because you can typically only achieve two of the three. Good and fast is expensive, fast and cheap is bad. So, good and cheap is slow. The same principle applies when managing any project, whether it's business idea, a dinner party, or a master's thesis. So, if you will face these three criteria: objective. So, what do you want to achieve, and what quality? Okay. So, the duration can be what is your time frame. So, what's the maximum you can spend in the terms of money or resources? And coming to regarding little warning, so reality and rarely aligns perfection when it comes to plans. If a project needs to be completed faster, you will likely need more resources. If it needs to be cheaper, the quality will be probably it's going to suffer. And if you want to improve quality, you'll need more time. So, according to Peter F. Drucker, so he wisely stated, nothing is less productive than doing what should not be done at all. So, understanding these trade-offs is key to effective project management, and I trust this was easy to understand and beneficial as well. Thank you.